55 minutes of email reading will net you $25. I'm going to show you how to make up to $100 per day simply by reading emails. You can do this with your phone from anywhere in the world, and guess what? You can do it as often as you like. It's actually quite simple and incredibly easy. Anyone can do it without any prior experience. It's also completely free. In this video, I'll demonstrate numerous ways you can earn money online, including how to earn money simply by reading. Before we continue to this video, I know it's hard to believe, but I'm going to show it to you nevertheless in just a minute. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and sound the notification bell. Let's get started with the video. As I previously indicated, that reading emails can earn you $25 in 55 minutes. Additionally, subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified every time I release a new video. Finally, don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd like you to go to www.vindale.com. As you can see, the website claims that you may earn money by taking surveys, but that isn't what we'll be discussing today. You'll be paid directly to your account on this website, which you can cash out into PayPal or your bank account. All of these tasks are simple to complete, whether you're in your bedroom, at your computer, or somewhere else. So what you want to do is register for a free account on this website, where you can see the offers they have to take advantage of, like reading emails. They offer a variety of tasks, and the email tasks are typically $10 to $15 per assignment, and they are the ones that will bring you the most money. When you register for an account, you'll notice that they have a lot of different categories like cars and trucks, politics, sports, and technology. Although there are a few different categories where you can make a lot more money, shopping is typically the one where you can get paid the most for your time spent reading these emails. Once you enter these categories, you'll see a ton of other listings and job postings for reading emails, which is the fastest way to make money. But if I were you, I'd take this seriously and try to make money. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to this channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video so far. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say and see which one produces the most money for you with the least amount of work, or which one you enjoy doing the best. Now is the time to return to work and make some money. You should use a virtual private network, VPN, to make your computer appear to be in one of their recognized countries, such as the United States or Canada, since one of the problems with these sites is that people from all over the world sign up and don't always provide good quality work. They will occasionally have spelling and grammar mistakes. Another helpful tip to keep in mind is that the only way you'll get 10 to 15 per assignment is if you are truly in one of their chosen countries. There are many different free VPNs available. This won't be a lesson on how to use one, but you can easily go and obtain one for free that will make your computer appear to be based in the United States or Canada. As a result, you can make substantially more money. Remember that you must use an address that is based in one of those countries when you create your account. You may use a random address generator to accomplish this if you are currently in one of those countries. I'll simply zoom in on Google Maps until I find an address in Canada or the United States, so you can demonstrate that you are in Canada. The VPN will make your computer appear to be in Canada, enabling you to be eligible for the greatest payouts. Utilizing the referral program is another awesome way to earn money with this website. They also offer a free sign-up bonus. To claim one, go to their website and then move your mouse as though you were about to leave. An exit intent pop-up will appear asking you to sign up. Enter your email address, and they'll immediately deposit $1 into your account. And if you go down on their website, you'll discover methods to earn, which details everything they offer. We were referring to Reward Mail, where you can sign up and receive payment for reading emails. Referrals are what we're discussing in this video, but if you return to our list of ways to earn, they are listed there as well. It's not the most efficient thing in the world, but as an entrepreneur, you must put in extra effort. Referrals imply that you will be paid $5 for each person you refer to the site, so you may know or be able to tell your friends and family to sign up as well as other people you know on social media. And work tirelessly to save money so you can reinvest into better and more efficient ways to make money online. There are many possibilities available. With this website, you may earn at least $25 per hour by reading emails. Receive free sign-up bonuses for registering. Only learn how to use a US or Canadian address and a VPN to qualify for more real money, as well as how to employ referral incentives to earn $5 or more just for joining up. You can work from home and earn money online by reading emails for up to 55 minutes. You can do this from anywhere in the world using your phone, laptop, or any other device you have. That's all. If you're interested in more videos with similar topics, check out my other videos. If you like them, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel.